22 to 28 is 2.5 cm for button stand. Now square out 2.5 cm from 22 to 28 and square all the way down. This is for your button stand. Square all the way down the 2.5 cm and indicates button stand. (28 to 29 is 3.5 cm for facing. Square all the way down to your shirt length. Square all the way down to your shirt length. And indicates facing here. (18 to 30 is 1.5 cm. 18 to 30, 1.5 cm. 18 to 31 is 1.5 cm. (19 to 32 is 8 cm up from 19. 32 to 33 is 1 cm. 32 to 34 is also 1 cm. Connect side seam with the help of your French curve. So this is how you make your connection. Use the straight part of your French curve to connect from point 17 to meet the 1.5 cm that we have for point 90. Flip the French curve like this and also connect from 17 down to point 31. Now return the French curve downward, taking the straight part downward to meet point 33 from 18. Flip the French curve from point 31 down to 34. (31 to 32), we've done that. So the next one is 35, is midway between 6 to 19. 35 is midway between 6 to 19. Now take the measurement from point 6 to 19. What I have is 29.5 cm divided by 2 is 14.75. (14.75) is midway between 6 and 19, which is giving you 0.35. Square up 3 cm from 35 to give you 36. Square up 3 cm from 35 to give you 0.36. And square across to the front edge. Square across to the front edge. 37 is midway between 3 to 19. 37 is midway between 3 to 19. So take the measurement like this. What we have is 30.5 divided by 2, which is 15.25. Our 0.37 is 15.25. Draw shape curve from 33 to 36 and 36 to 34 34 to 37 as shown in the diagram. So this is what you do. Connect points 33 to 36 with a curve using your hand to achieve the shirt curve. 34 to 37 like this. So this is what you need for your shirt pattern. So I'll be advising you to take the full roundness of the armhole of the shirt, using it to achieve your sleeve, your shirt sleeve block. So take the full roundness from point 14 to 24. From point 14 to 24. You will need this measurement to achieve your shirt sleeve block. So what I have here is 57 cm.
Okay.
So we'll be using this part of the board for our sleeve pattern. So see this side as your paper. So the first thing to do is divide your paper into 2 equal parts. Now take the length, the width of your paper like this. So what I have here is 46 cm divided by 2 is 23 cm. Square all the way down the 23 cm, which is the midpoint of our paper. Then mark point 0 at the midpoint. 0 to 1. 0 to 1 is half sky depth, half arm sky measurement, then square across to point 2. I'll take that again. 0 to 1 is your arm sky measurement divided by 4. 0 to 1 is quarter arm sky measurement. Our arm sky measurement is 57. So what you do is do 57 divided by 4. 57 divided by 4 is giving us 14.25. That's our 0 to 1. 14.25 square across. Zero to 1 is quarter arm sky measurement, square across. Zero to 2 is sleeve length measurement. 0 to 2 is your sleeve length measurement. Now I already have my sleeve length measurement, which is 60 cm. So I'm taking the 60 cm from point 0 all the way down to get my point 2. 1 to 3 is half the measurement 1 to 2 square across. Take the measurement 1 to 2, which is our elbow line. What I have here is 41 cm. 41 divided by 2 is 20.5 cm. Here is my point 3. Square across the measurement, half the measurement from point 1 to 2 to give you point 3. 0 to 4 is half arm sky measurement square down to 0.5 on your desired length. Now the arm sky measurement still remains 57. 57 divided by 2 is giving us 28.5. So what you do is from point 0, take the measurement like this on a slanted line and mark the 28.5 as your point 4. Square all the way down from point 4 to meet point 5 and connect with your ruler. from point 0 to 4. 0 to 6 is same as 0 to 4. 0 to 6 is same as 0 to 4. So connect this way and write point 6. Here's your point 6. From point 6 to 7 is same as 4 to 5. So square all the way down and write your point 7. Here. Now divide 0 to 4 into 4 sections. Now we have 28.5. Now what you do is 28.5 divided by 4, which is giving us 6.5. Now you take the measurement like this. You are dividing this into 4. Whatever you get is what you are using. Now indicate 8, 9, and 10. Divide 0 to 6 into 4 sections too. Then write 11, 12, 13. Draw sleeve head. Draw sleeve head. Join 4 to 8. Join 4 to 8 and drop down 0.5 cm from point 5. From point 8 rather, drop down 0.5 cm from point 8 and raise up 1.25 cm. 1.25 cm from point 9. I repeat, 1.25 cm from point 9. Then also take up 2.25 cm at point 10. Now the connection goes like this. From point 4, passing through the 0.5 cm we have below point 8. Connect your French curve like this, please. Take note of this. To meet the 1.25 cm we have at point 9. Flip the French curve from point 9, passing through the 2.25 cm we have at point 10 to meet point 0. Now 5 to 14 is 1/3 the measurement 2 to 5. So what you do, take the measurement 2 to 5 like this. What I have is 23.5. 23.5 divided by 3. 7.8. It is 7.8. So you take out from 0.5 7.8 to get 14. To get to point 14. 7 to 15 is same as 5 to 14. 7 to 15 is same as 5 to 14. Connect 4 to 14 with the help of your ruler. Also connect 6 to 15 with the help of your ruler. 4 to 16. 14 to 16. 14 to 16 is midway between 2 to 14. Take the measurement 2 to 14. 16 cm divided by 2. 8 cm. That's the midpoint. Mark and you write 16. 16 to 17 16 to 17 is 10 cm. Square up 10 cm to get point 17 from point 16. Now take note, what we have here, this is our complete sleeve pattern together with the curve. So for those of us that want to make a curve with this sleeve pattern, so what you do is square up from 16, 2.5 inches. That's the standard measurement for your curve, 2.5 inches, and square across this measurement. You'll be replacing the measurement back with your curve while sewing the sleeve. So square out this measurement. If you are cutting your pattern, you don't need this. So this is your curve that will be replaced while sewing your shirt. So you can also take back 10 cm to get a new 17 from this same point. Now the 10 cm is from this point. That's the length of the slit that you use for your shirt placket. So you don't need this anymore. This is the curve. If you're making a shirt without curve, you can leave it complete like this. But if you're making a shirt with curve, ensure to take up the 2.5 inches that we have from the down point. So you no longer need what you have here. This is exactly how your sleeve will now be looking. So this is your sleeve. By the time you are replacing the 2.5 inches for your curve, you are getting the exact measurement of your sleeve pattern.